Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel that features amazing shipping container projects from around the world. In this video, we look at an amazing holiday home built on a sand dune sitting on steel piers driven 12 meters deep to capture amazing views of the sea located in Queensland, Australia. Welcome back. This amazing house built on the side of a sand dune was conceived as a temporary dwelling for holidays and rental, designed to be disassembled and relocated in future. The house was made from 10 shipping containers sitting on steel piers driven 12 meters deep into the sand dune. The containers were fabricated in a factory and shipped on site using a floating barge together with a large crane to lift up the containers into position. The entire house was assembled in a record 1 day. The main access to the house is up the hill. The first container with custom openings accommodates an entrance porch to the house. The other 3 containers abutted to it are large enough to accommodate a 2-car garage. The containers' cargo doors swing open as the main entrance door to the house from the entrance lobby. Upon entering, you are faced with the integrated environment of a hall, a kitchen, access to the bedrooms, the living room, and the family room. The integration of spaces and the large windows are what makes the spaces in this house so special. The airy interior is designed to maximize on the view and to receive the cool breeze from the sea. From the entrance, there is a spectacular living area that is nicely furnished with a large brown couch oriented towards the feature wall. There is a custom coffee table, a variety of easy chairs oriented facing the wood-burning stove, and a large floor mat to define the sitting area. This open-plan living space has floor-to-ceiling folding glass doors that not only provide an incredible view of the sea, but also revamps the interior space in a spectacular way. The full-height folding glass doors open to an adjacent alfresco dining space, allowing you to enjoy the very best of both worlds, the fresh air and the stunning seaside views. The kitchen has enough space for simultaneous work, differentiated by equipment and sophisticated finishes. The stunning kitchen space is equipped with high-end appliances, modern glossy white cabinets, an electric cooktop, and quartz countertops. The kitchen space has a large island with quartz countertops, good as a working table or a dining space that can comfortably sit 6, ideal for group dining. Installed on the island are 2 pendant lights which enhance task lighting. From the living area, there is a small but cozy entertainment room. It is fitted with a comfortable leather couch and a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall for your entertainment. From the entertainment room, there is a white painted wooden door that opens into the first bedroom. It features a comfortable double bed. There is a cabinet with beautiful bedside lamps. This bedroom is joined by a deluxe bathroom with a well-finished vanity area. It has a toilet, a glass enclosed shower stall, and a big soaking tub set in front of a large louvered window. The louvered window conveys that feeling of bathing outdoors as the cool sea breezes passes through. The deluxe bathroom can also be accessed from the entertainment room with a Jack and Jill setup. The house is fitted with ceiling fans to enhance indoor thermal comfort during extreme weather. The interior is lined with a mix of plywood and white painted walls, which makes the space to feel warm and appear larger, infusing a feel of a big indoor space. A well-crafted staircase leads to the ground floor level of the house. The ground floor consists of three 40-foot shipping containers that hold more amazing, intimate, and social rooms to enhance the functions of this amazing holiday home. The container house is painted dark on the exterior to be recessive within the leafy and pristine seaside environment. From outside, there is no secret that this holiday home is built using shipping containers. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, celebrating the industrial charm of the design. The sun-soaked deck is a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning vistas and enjoy the warm evenings on a clear day as you soak in the cool breezes from the sea. The house has a combination of floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows to enhance maximum daylighting, uninterrupted views, and complete accessibility. The trees around the building helps to soften the industrial vibe of the design, plus providing additional natural cooling during hot weather. The meticulous execution of this amazing project is quite commendable. The workmanship both inside and out is equally good. Which part of this amazing container holiday home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.